Tune in your devices and welcome back on 8-Bit Sailing. In the last video I've shown you how I've installed a MacArthur Hat on my Raspberry Pi, which runs OpenPlotter. Today I'll dive deeper into that topic and show you how to connect to an NMEA 2000 network. So stay tuned and enjoy watching. To ensure that we are all on the same page, I'll show you my current setup here on paper. Everything builds around the Raspberry Pi with the MacArthur Hat. I've connected a GPS dongle via USB to the Raspberry Pi, as well as a software-defined radio which receives RES signals. The Calypso wind meter is connected via Bluetooth. Thinking about a way to display all the data gathered by the peripherals, I've installed a Wi-Fi router aboard providing a local network. The Pi is connected via Ethernet to ensure a stable connection. And with that, it is quite easy to connect all kind of different devices like tablets, smartphones, etc. to display all the data on almost an unlimited amount of different devices. But still there are some drawbacks since my depth sounder and speed through water are island solutions. Luckily, this problem is solved by the MacArthur Hat. Following up, here is my plan on how I want to extend my current setup. The Raspberry Pi and its connected peripherals can stay untouched. Just to get it back here on paper, I have GPS, RES, wind data and a LAN connection. NMEA 2000 is a CAN bus based system. That means you have a single backbone running from stern to the bow of your boat, which needs correct termination on both ends. The big advantage of this design is that you can connect multiple devices directly to that backbone without adding more long cables. I'll add a 3-in-1 sensor for depth, speed and water temperature. And in addition to this, a fixed multi-purpose display. As long as the connected peripherals doesn't consume too much power, you can power them directly from the NMEA 2000 bus. For this you need to add a 12-volt power supply. There are several different implementations of NMEA 2000. My choice is SeatalkNG by Raymarine. With a connection established between the Raspberry Pi and the backbone, all the data that come from the peripherals of the Seatalk network can be routed to the Raspberry Pi, and in return all the data of the connected peripherals to the Raspberry Pi can be routed to the Seatalk network. This gives you a cheap solution to integrate multiple different devices into a modern NMEA 2000 network. Speaking of, here are the different components before I've installed them on my boat. In the next video I'll show you how I've installed everything on my boat. Subscribe to my channel to get notified. Until then, bye.